Hi Abdi, my name's Shane Strachan, and for this year's Gies Scots Poem Day, I'm going to read you a new poem called Yird-Boond, which I wrote last year on residency at Arbroath Abbey, supported by the Scottish Poetry Library, for a residency called Words and Power. So that's what the poem's about, and it's published in the latest Northwards now if you want to read it. So Yird-Boond. This poem was going to be yet another poem about a flea, trapped in the new scriptorium on the grounds of Arbroath Abbey, dunting off the windy pane, hour and hour and hour again, afore it clamber up a glace, affront the ruins reeds and steen, towards the cloudy heavens, sign stopped by the wooden frame of beam. But out come this great land moor to weich awa my een and lugs, with the thrum what's furling blades, chan through strips o' sun-kissed girth, beheading fight sooky soos, swallowing ilka claver puff, racked up into its boggy moo. I doubt the monks bother to cut the girths with scythes or shears or sheep, and instead they just don it through a heath meadow of wildflowers, baldy bairns and a sweetie shoppy, sampling gods apothecary, helping to remede the ills and pains that come with their Yird-Boond husks, clamouring athwart this world for a heaven ayont ashes and dust.